Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start now. Save work, plug the laptop into AC, and note the BIOS key for your model. Reboot and repeatedly press the key, F2, Del, ESC, or F10, until the firmware menu appears. Once in BIOS, navigate with arrow keys or mouse if supported. Make sure you're in the Main or Security tab so you don't miss TPM or Secure Boot entries. You're setting the stage for configuration changes that require a deliberate path and admin access. You're in the firmware now. Go to Security or Advanced and find TPM, PTT, or FTPM. Change its state from Enabled to Disabled and confirm prompts. Next, open the Boot or Security tab again and locate Secure Boot. Switch it to Disabled or set boot mode to Legacy/CSM if available. Make sure you read any warning messages about keys. Clear or reset keys only if you understand the consequences. Once both features are toggled, prepare to save your configuration. Save your changes and choose Save and Exit, often F10, then let the system reboot. If the machine fails to boot, immediately re-enter BIOS and either re-enable Secure Boot/TPM or enable CSM/Legacy to recover boot behavior. This commonly fixes OS boot issues after disabling secure features. If BIOS becomes locked or unresponsive, reset to defaults or use the vendor's BIOS recovery jumper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.